Yeager Airport, we move fast and efficiently. We pride ourselves on being forward thinkers who don't have a box to think outside of. Our latest project here at CRW is working towards electrifying the airport through electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, also known as eVTOL. Our latest project is electrifying CRW with electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, better known as eVTOL.
This is an opportunity for Kanawha County and the state of West Virginia to be on the very forefront of an emerging technology. A lot of this stuff, none of it has been done before. So there's billions of dollars in private investment. There's dozens of companies involved in this, and we can be the airport that's the forefront of this technology while also trying to achieve our vision to become the most important economic engine in the state of West Virginia and bringing high-paying tech jobs.
Last week, the Central West Virginia Regional Airport Authority Board voted to move forward with a consulting group, Thrasher. The agreement means a team of consultants will be fully engaged to prepare CRW in West Virginia for an eVTOL infrastructure.
The groundwork phase has definitely kicked off, so we are doing some cost estimating right now to see what the financial obligation for that battery research center would be. We're in talks with the engineering school over at Marshall to see kind of their thoughts on what this is going to look like, how it's going to function, what sort of equipment we're going to need. We're getting all of that sort of information for that piece packaged and ready to go so that we can be more attractive to different funding sources.
For the last 6 weeks, Director Keller, the Thrasher Group, Marshall University, and the Robert C. Byrd Institute have been working on several eVTOL opportunities.
That would comprise of electrifying our airport, putting charging stations in, also looking around the state for other locations to put landing pads for these aircraft, the potential to have aerospace manufacturing facilities in the Kanawha Valley and in the region that would make batteries for these aircraft and other component parts. And Thrasher Group is basically under contract now to help us review this, also to help us with federal grant applications, land acquisition, site development, really the whole host of everything that relates to electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft.
This is what one of the eVTOL aircrafts look like. They are battery operated and will be a significant milestone for CRW's zero-emission aviation industry. Board members all approve of Director Keller's vision of electrifying CRW.
We see an economic opportunity that will greatly benefit this area and the state.
And for the state and for the region, it's boundless. Because we're on the front edge of it. For example, if we do the Battery Research Center in cooperation with Marshall University, that'd be the first one in the entire world. And so it's kind of like if you build it, they will come. If you build that, then it's like a magnet. It's going to draw a lot of eVTOL companies to West Virginia.
CRW is working hard to lock in grant funding, and depending on that, we could see work on the infrastructure being done as soon as the following year.